Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pickle of cucumber. Start by sterilizing jars and gathering cucumbers, vinegar, water, pickling salt, dill, garlic, and pickling spice. Trim cucumbers and pack them tightly into jars with garlic and dill sprigs. Heat the brine until salt dissolves, pour hot over cucumbers, seal jars, and process in a hot water bath to set the pickles and extend shelf life. Heat the vinegar and water gently until steaming, then add pickling salt and taste to adjust. Pour this hot brine over packed cucumber jars, leaving a small headspace for expansion. Tap jars to remove air bubbles and wipe rims clean before sealing with lids. Process jars in a simmering water bath for proper preservation, then cool undisturbed so seals set and flavors meld for at least a few days before tasting. Play with flavors by adding sugar, spices, or chilies to the brine for different pickle profiles. For bread and butter style, add 1/4 cup sugar. For heat, include sliced jalapeno and 1 tsp chili flakes. Smoked or roasted spices bring depth, while fresh herbs keep brightness. Keep records of quantities so you can repeat hits, and always adjust small batches to avoid wasting cucumbers when testing new flavor ideas.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.